Ooh, this is the struggle when you have thick thighs. You gotta do all this to get your leggings on. Ooh. Y'all think I'm playing? I have to do this every time I put some really tight leggings on. So today we're doing another leggings review, an affordable Amazon leggings review, because I know that you guys like to look cute, but like me, you ain't trying to spend all this money all the time. Like, yeah, I do have some expensive leggings, but I don't want to spend that much money every time I buy leggings. So I'm always on Amazon trying to find the cutest leggings. But you know, sometimes Amazon is like kind of hit or miss. So I want to show you guys the stuff that I buy on Amazon that I feel like is worth spending money. Because I bought some leggings off of Amazon where I'm like, I should have saved my money. However, when I find something good, you know I have to share it with y'all. So, first, right, getting text messages and stuff. So first, we're going to be reviewing this set that I have on right here. So as you can see, this set looks very similar to the Do You Even, I think it's called, the Do You Even. And if you go to Do You Even site, their leggings alone are about $50, I want to believe, or maybe a little bit more. But these leggings right now on Amazon, I want to say for about $27. So just a couple specs on the leggings though. First of all, the top comes from Amazon too. So I got this like as a set, and this is actually a pretty good bra for the price. It did come with some breast pads that were black, so you can see, and this is not that thick of material, so you can see the pads, so I took them out. But other than that, really good set for the price. So it does have a lot of compression. I'm a size medium in all of these leggings, by the way. These are high-waisted. They do have a little bit of tummy control. They do have that contour under the butt type of thing here, which is really nice. However, if you do have a bigger butt like myself, you might have some trouble keeping it up. And if you have a somewhat of a belly, you know, you might have trouble keeping it up. But other than that, it's fine. I really like these leggings. I really love the color. Everything is good. I wish you can see the whole thing, but my camera doesn't go down that low. But really, really nice leggings, guys, for the price. I want to say the leggings were $27, and I want to say the bra was maybe $20, if that. But like I said, on the Do You Even site, this is about $50, and I want to say the bra is like $30. Now I don't know if this is the exact dupe, because sometimes you can find the same manufacturer and all they do is just take the logo off. I don't know if this is the exact same dupe. I do know that these look exactly like Do You Even, and really you can't even tell other than the fact that it doesn't have the Do You Even logo. So if you're looking for a cute set, I might get this set in some other colors too, because it's so cute. But if you're looking for a cute and affordable set, this is good. Just saying. Next leggings that I'm going to show you, I wore these yesterday and they're dirty. However, so I'm not going to put them back on, but I just want to show you. So I'll put a picture over here on the side or somewhere so you guys can see it. But these are the leggings, and as you can see, it has really cute detailing. I guess I'll get a little closer so you guys can see. It has really cute detailing like right under the butt. So this is like, it has like that butt contour right under the butt, and then it also has this really cute detailing here on the thigh, and then it also has some detailing on the legs, and it kind of reminds me of Gymshark, the way that it fits and the way that it has the leg contours. But these fit me really, really good, you guys. As you can see from the photos that I'm posting in the videos and stuff, these are really cute. And I want to say these were cheaper. These were maybe around the $20 range, if I believe. But I'm leaving all the links for all this stuff is going to be in the description, guys. But the only place I can find these, because I saw someone else with these exact leggings and with the detailing, and the only place I found these is on Amazon. So I don't know if this is like a dupe from another company, but these are super cute and they're not even that expensive. The only thing you have to watch out is if you have nails or you have a chipped nail, it can get caught on this, because I got my nail caught on it and I pulled off the seam a little bit, but not too much to really care. But these are great, and they also come in some other colors as well. And they are squat proof. This is a struggle when you have thick thighs. You gotta do all this to get your leggings on. Ooh. Y'all think I'm playing? I have to do this every time I put some really tight leggings on. Last but not least, these are the other leggings that I bought. So these leggings really remind me of the Gymshark seamless. All they did was they added a little bit more detailing. Here on the sides. Here. They have detailing right along here. Really cute. It does, I want to say it does have a booty contour on. So yeah, it has like a contour right here. I don't know if you can see it, but these are really nice. As you can see, if you have big thighs, you might want to go up a size if you don't want them to be too snug, but it doesn't really bother me. It does kind of bunch up right here because it's really hard for them to come like all the way up because I have thick thighs. So if I would have got a larger, it might have fit me well. But anytime I buy a large in leggings, what happens is it'll fit me here, but on I have really skinny calves, so it won't fit on my calves. So, you know, the struggle. But these are really cute. I think they're squat proof. Not sure. I probably wouldn't squat in these anyway because they're probably a little too tight. But very, very cute. Definitely going to be wearing these. Now that I'm a full-time personal trainer, I'm wearing fitness clothes more than regular clothes. So this is more like fashion for me. Like, this is not just workout. Like, I literally wear workout clothes every day now. It's like my actual wardrobe. So I'm just trying to look cute, you know. I have my squat pants and I have my cute, these would be like my cute leggings, you know. But these are really, really cute, guys. It's so much detailing. Like, look at all this detailing here. All these are on Amazon around the $20 to $27 range, guys. So really, really good finds. Like, I've searched high and low to find like really good quality leggings on Amazon, and these, all three of these are like bomb. I'm probably gonna buy some more different colors just because I like these so much and it just looks so cute. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know if you like them or which ones you like the best. Like I said, links are in the description, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.